and welcome in this new video. I'm filming from Miami during Art Basel. I propose you in this video to have a look around Miami because everywhere there's few things to see, installation, art pieces. I mean, this looks exciting, so I'll try to share with you a maximum of things. Jaguar had created a special project here in the design district, so there's few rooms where you see the Simpson in the swimming pool, and here you have a prototype of, I guess, a next project they have in mind. I guess that's how you blend luxury with futuristic vibes. The design district is one of my favorite area in Miami, so I like to share with you a little bit the surrounding. Here is a little square and it's really cute, and I don't know if you can see from here, but you have La Durée if you like macaron. That's the place to go. And then I went to see an exhibition that was about disabled people. I'm having fun at the moment because I found a swing chair and I'm like a kid, you know, flying around. Yes. This is an installation for Art Basel and the inspiration is jewelry. And when you know, yes, you can recognize like pearls and creates maybe a necklace or something like that. Yes. Really fun. Another cute little square in the Miami design district. And I have a question for you. Have you ever tasted this kind of Japanese ice cream? If yes, tell me in the comment how it is. How gorgeous are those chandeliers? I love it. So original. So now let's visit the Cartier exhibition. It's all about the celebration of the 100 years of the Trinity ring. The exhibition was quite interesting, and you know what, this is exactly the kind of exhibition I propose to my clients when they come to Paris to visit the city of light and they don't have so much time and they don't want to spend all the time and effort to look after what they have to see, visit, do, shop. So I'm taking care of that. So when my customers want to have a shopping session plus visit a fashion and jewelry exhibition, I create tailor-made art and shopping experience. So let me explain how it is working in details. Well, during the morning, I will show the customers an exhibition about fashion or jewelry. I will guide them through the exhibition, so I will tell them all the story behind the exhibition, and I will tell them anecdotes that no one knows about, and this is a really, really special experience about it. And after, we will go shopping in the afternoon, and that's the kind of experience I create in Paris. Then passing by a cute snowball from Gucci. That's the Tiffany wool you saw last time in a video. I love it. And this is Damien Hirst that made those paintings. So I love it. 5:30 in the afternoon and that's the sunset time, and this is a perfect way to end this first day. Let's continue tomorrow. Ça sent très très bon et c'est vraiment magnifique. I was with my friend Melody and we were exploring the botanical garden of Miami. And it's quite small, but it's a beautiful surrounding. And the size of the tree, oh my god, like this palm tree here, it's so gorgeous. Then we have little turtles here, enjoying sunshine. And then after we went to Lincoln Mall. And that day it was full of luxury and sports car. Not sure if it was directly related to Art Basel or not. And what about this beautiful architecture? I guess that's a church. And so now let's go to the beach. Because of course when you come to Miami and Miami Beach, you have to go to the beach to enjoy the beautiful view, the white sand, turquoise water, and of course we had to take photos here with the frame and the little house for the lifeguard. So cute. And you know what? I come from a very summery place as well. I was born and raised in Biarritz, which is in the southwest of France, near the Spain border. So I'm very used to the beach and I grew up in the beach basically. But I have to tell you that the ocean here in Miami, the color of the water, the color of the sound, I mean, it's really beautiful. Vas-y. Ah waouh, ouais. One of the other lifeguard houses. Then we went to see the art installation at the beach, which was free, and it was all about a group of elephants made in rotten, and it attracts a lot of people around taking pictures and taking videos around. Of course, when we are in Miami, we have to take picture of the beautiful watercolor and the commercials boat floating, which was very funny to witness. Back in the city of Miami Beach, and I love to witness the beautiful details they had in the street, like here, Española Way, which is a pedestrian way with lots of restaurants. Maybe not the best one, but it's a very touristic place. Then later that day, passing by a street with beautiful Christmas decoration. Trop joli! I think I found the perfect wall matching with my dress, and this is the perfect way to end this vlog. I hope you liked it. It changed from Paris, and see you very soon for a new video. Give a thumbs up, it always helps the channel, and it's always a pleasure for me to feel your love and support. See you very soon for a new video. Bye bye!